Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to remove a gift card from Amazon using the mobile app. The first step is to open the Amazon mobile app on your device, sign into your Amazon account if prompted. Then go to the menu section, that is the three horizontal lines at the top left corner of the screen. Select gift cards from the menu. Next, you have to find the gift card you want to remove and tap on the three dots next to it. Next, select Remove from Wallet or Delete. Next, you have to confirm that you want to remove the gift card from your Amazon account. Tap Remove or Delete to complete the process. It's important for you to note that it's important for you to note the gift card balance. That is, make sure to use or transfer the gift card balance before removing it from your Amazon account. Also, check the gift card expiration date to ensure you don't miss using the balance. It's as simple as that. By following these steps, you can remove a gift card from Amazon.